now we have to design this sign in screen. So the user interface of LinkedIn is right now like this. This is the sign in screen. Okay guys, so what we need to do, we have to go, let's check if we have this icon. Okay, so we have to make it like this. So let's download this png. Okay, now let's go inside our this folder, asset folder, go to the download. We will say LinkedIn square like this. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to go inside our sign in screen, and here we will do the same thing, style flex one, and background color will be colors dot white, and okay, so here we will first need a text over here which is say linked. Okay, so linked like this. So linked like this, and one more thing, we have to pick the color of so we have to pick this color. Okay, so for picking the color from image, I'm using this image color picker. Okay, so you can also use this to pick the image color. So let's say upload from computer. Let's open this, and I will select this, and we will get the color. Okay, now let's go inside our colors, and we will add a primary. So this is our primary color, and let's just save it. And for this text we will say style, so the color will be the text color, which will be color dot primary. Okay, now let's just save it, so you can see the color of the text is changed. Now let's say font size will be 18, and to make it little bold, font weight will be 700. Okay, now in the main div I will say padding of 10. Okay, now let's just so make it, we have to make it inside a view. Okay, so make it inside a view like this, and we will need an image source require, and set the require, we have to go back, and then we have to copy paste the name. Okay, LinkedIn 2.square. Okay, so we have our icon. Now let's just adjust the width and height. So I will say width 50 and height of 50. Okay, so to make it horizontal, we have to style this, we have to say flex direction raw, so it will come horizontal. Let's just make it 20. Yep, and a little bit margin left of 3. Yes. Okay, so let's make it a complete bold over here. So I will say bold, and also let's just increase the size of this. Okay, now inside our raw we will say justify content center. Okay, so say align item center. Okay, so our text and image will be aligned aligned center. Okay, now it's looking good. Okay, okay, okay. So after that, what we need, this sign in and this or join LinkedIn. Okay, so after this we will create a text saying sign in, sign in, sign in. Okay, now style this, let's say font size will be 20, margin top will be 10, let's make it 30, and font weight will be 600. Okay, sign in, and after this we have let's take a view, style, flex direction will be raw, and let's make a text saying or, and after that or we need a join LinkedIn. So join LinkedIn. Okay, so, and we have to change the color of this text. Will be color dot primary and margin left will be 3. Okay, now let's do the margin top of little bit margin top. I think 5 will be enough. Okay, and we have to also adjust this spacing also. The margin top will be 30 and color will be, I will say, black. Okay, okay, now what we have to do is to make these buttons. Okay, so as you can see, these button are like these all button are same, just we have to change the text and the icon is changing, although the design is same. So what we need to do, we have to create a component for that, a reusable component. Okay, now let's come inside a source folder, create a component, and I will say it login button component dot js. Okay, now React Native function, and it will take two things. First will be image and second will be label. Okay, now what we have to do is to call this, let's take a view and let's import this login button component over here, and for label I will say sign in with Google, sign in with Google. Okay, now copy this. Okay, save it. Okay, so sign in with Google, and we will put the label over here. Okay, so we are passing the label and we are putting it inside a text. Now let's style it. So for styling I will say border color will be like gray. So I will come inside, I will pick this color from HTML color codes. Okay, so let's copy this gray color and paste it over here.